The fact the weather was this bad today, we had a hard trip down on the bus and we left about 3 hours before most of the fans, so it was great to see the turnout for us.
It wasn't easy for Caribou fans to make it to the Cross Insurance Center in Bangor, but fans wouldn't miss seeing their team play in the high school basketball tournament for the world.
Even though we come from a small town now in Caribou with only 7,000 population, but it's a sense of community and a support for each other. It's a big thing, very big thing, especially to the county people.
The Vikings took on the Washington Academy Raiders in Class B quarterfinal action, with fans young and old driving through even more snow to support their team.
It's just really fun to be there in the atmosphere, and a bunch of us wanted to come down to support them just so they knew that we were here for them.
It's been a tradition forever.
A long-standing tradition for fans, but a brand new experience for nearly the entire Caribou team.
This was actually the first game for 11 of my 12 guys in the Cross Center. Only one of them's been to the tournament before.
A team of newcomers playing like seasoned veterans. The Vikings knocked off the Raiders 73-49. This Caribou team is chasing its first state championship in 50 years. Fans are confident, but the team is taking it one step at a time.
We got it. I honestly believe so.
There's no pressure. We're just trying to go out and play hard basketball every single night. We're not looking any further ahead of the semifinals right now, and our guys have bought into that.
Caribou fans buying in too. Every last one of them.
I hope somebody turned the lights out in Caribou tonight because we're all down here right now for the ball game.
And that is true. It really seems like every Caribou fan was at the Cross Insurance Center in Bangor. They'll be taking on Ellsworth High School in the semifinals on Wednesday after Ellsworth upset MDI to kick off the tournament. It's really looking good. Pat?
All right, Sean, thanks a lot.